Okay, today's video is over what Donald Trump says that President Obama was wiretapping his Trump building. Now, I've seen on the news, like, I think it was yesterday, he come with this crazy idea. I call this wiretap cuckoo productions. All of a sudden, I see this on TV where this guy says, oh, what's his name? That weird dude, Splicer. That all of a sudden you think that these things right here, the microwave is a device that they can see through and listen through. So I guess from now on, when you use the microwave, you got to put a towel over it. So they don't be looking at you when you sitting around and shh, be quiet. They listening. They listening through the microwave. You got to unplug it before you go to bed. You know, for instance, if I want to do this, take me a cup of tea. See, the tea, open the microwave. Watch out! Turn it on. They watching us. They watching me. Look at them. The microwave being wiretapped. So when you turn it off, you got to cover it back up. Then you got to cover the microwave in your house, looking like a freak. Okay? But that's what Donald Trump wants. But this is what's coming next. It's going to be a ban on all microwaves, effective immediately. Immediately. Coffee makers are next.